welcome back to another video on my channel Boozy Poo. Today I am going to be doing a video that is a little last minute, but that's okay because it's a last minute Halloween costume video specifically made with minimal time and effort in mind. I make Halloween costume videos every single year on my channel because it is so fun. Halloween is such a good holiday. This year I am sharing 10 different Halloween costumes from outfits that I already have right in my closet. So we don't have to spend any of our coin when we're making our Halloween costumes and dressing up for the holiday. If you have any similar items to the things that I have in my closet, hopefully you'll be able to use this video as some inspiration for your next Halloween party or spooky dress-up occasion. Without any further delay, let's go ahead and get to the costumes.
For costume number 1, you will need a tunic style top, preferably in green. This shirt I got from the thrift store, and it just gives off some major Nottingham vibes. I paired this with some black leggings. You could also do brown or tan, but black is a pretty solid staple in everyone's wardrobe, and it certainly works in making the look come together as well. As for accessories, I decided to add this woven bag around my waist and just tie that into place, and then place some fake gold into but kind of sticking out of the bag. This gives off the look that I have some gold that I've stolen from the rich and will be giving to the needy. Last, I don't think it's too common for everyone to have a bow and arrow at the ready in their home, but I'm pretty sure most people can find a nice size stick laying around and a piece of twine or yarn to create yourself a bow for a bow and arrow. All you have to do is tie the twine around the end of the stick on each side, and then you have yourself a not perfect but decent enough bow for your completed costume as... costume idea is pretty much a 2-in-1 costume. All you need is a green shirt that billows at the bottom into an almost leafy looking skirt, and then pair that with some darker green leggings. I didn't add any accessories to this look, but if you can add a small artificial knife attached around your waist or a little green hat with a small red feather, that would really pull the entire look together as a costume for... Using the basics of this look, you can just add some fairy wings, put your hair into a bun if you have enough hair to do that, throw some glitter on your body, and all of a sudden you are now... Costume number 4 is the most basic costume to ever grace the planet of the earth, but it is so simple, and one of my subscribers really wanted me to include this costume in my next Halloween video. So here it is. I got you. I did not forget over the course of the year about including this costume, which is none other than... If you want to be able to see, definitely create some eye holes. I did not do that, and so I was blind. For the next costume, you will need to wear all of your fluffiest clothing, like this sweatshirt and these shorts. Place some black socks onto your feet and hands as hooves, and you are now... For the following costume, you simply need a colored dress or shirt with some business casual pants with a couple of accessories: an apple, a ruler, and some glasses. And you too can be a... This next costume is super fun. You just need to wear your most trendy Instapic worthy outfit and carry your phone around with you, unapologetically posing for pictures and vlogging. With all of these simple items, you can be...
Is that a sponsorship? Like, how much am I gonna be making? So 50% off if you use my coupon code BossAssBabes. So yeah, save your coin, sis. Save your coin. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check Twitter before I do that because, like, the numbers and the algorithm. My watch time has gone up by 4%, and I need it to be up to by like at least 6% because the algorithm, and I'm trying to kick off PewDiePie. So yeah, I met her. Fucking bitch.
For the next costume, you just need to wear a comfy, oversized athletic shirt with some gym shorts that resemble an athlete's uniform. Add some knee-high socks to the look and throw a sports bag over your shoulder, and you can easily be a... Another creative costume that you are likely to already have in your closet requires you wear a colored shirt under another business casual top with an appropriately matched pair of business pants. Add a microphone to the look and you make a convincing...
Thank you, Bill. Yes. Welcome to this segment of our news show today. I am here with the weather. Sunny but rainy and misty. 40% chance of there being the atmosphere within the universe. Located now, here we are. There is a place on the northwestern southeastern corner on the planetary establishment of our location where thus wind and rain, tornadoes, perhaps. Back to you.
As for the final costume idea, I wanted to include makeup with this costume, so I chose to put it as the last costume in this video. All you need is a white, old-timey looking shirt paired with some harem pants or Aladdin pants. These are the same pants I used for my Aladdin costume in my Halloween video from 2 years ago, fun fact. I've also added a large size belt around my waist, along with this fake gold necklace because I'm a pirate who get that booty, you know what I mean? I also added this classic plastic swashbuckling sword. If you have extra time, you can also draw some additional tattoos on your fingers with a very Captain Jack Sparrow vibe. And you can be a queen of the sea, otherwise known as...
of this video. I want to say a huge thank you to you guys at home for watching. You guys are the best. If you want to see more videos from me, you can click that subscribe button, and yeah, you can see more videos from me. I hope you guys all have a happy and safe Halloween. Hopefully I will be seeing you all in my next video. Till next time, bye.
I'm out here looking for you, where you at?